Max Weber was a German sociologist and economist during the turn of the 20th century. Weber's interests focused on the nature of power and authority as well as a concentration on modern shifts in rationalization. This led him to focus on the operation of modern large-scale enterprises in the realms of politics and economics. Bureaucratic coordination of activities, he argued, is the distinctive mark of the modern era. Bureaucracies are organized according to rational principles. Rational legal authority is a form of leadership that Weber defined, in which the authority of an organization or ruling party is largely tied to legal rationality, legitimacy, and bureaucracy. The majority of large, complex organizations in government and business today utilize what Weber classifies as a bureaucratic structure. A bureaucratic structure must be hierarchical with clearly different levels of authority or management and levels of subordinates answering to upper levels of authority. There must also be a set of rules, laws, or procedures in place which the entire structure adheres to as the basis of authority and direction of the structure. This is again referring to what Max Weber defined as rational legal authority. Employees remain obedient to their supervisors because they exercise authority through their office or position, which is granted to them through qualifications. The scope of a manager's authority is only limited to their position, which leads into the division of labor, another important factor of Weber's bureaucracy. Labor would be divided into specializations, which would allow for higher efficiency. So while a perfect bureaucracy applies to an organization which is rigid and formally structured, this is relatively hard to achieve. As an organization grows in size and the bureaucracy itself grows, so do the departments that are a part of it, therefore increasing inefficiency between those departments. But although the division of labor is meant to increase efficiency in bureaucracies, in modern bureaucracies it oftentimes can diminish efficiency because the division of labor is so grand. Division of labor is supposed to specialize certain departments to divide and conquer a task. But when there are too many departments all working towards the same goal, it can oftentimes make that more inefficient. As this cartoon shows, with the simple task of sending a letter, modern bureaucracies are laden with inefficiencies due to the division of labor. A simple task that could be completed by one person has to be split, and that person has to jump through many hoops to complete that task by going to many different departments.